Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number BF157-314. This is a extra dark bronze anodized aluminum barrier-free 90-degree offset door pull is what this is. BF157. That is, first of all, the reference to BF stands for barrier-free. That is a reference to the fact that the face of the door to the inside of the pull is 2.5 inch. So the dimension from here to here, where your hand would occupy when grabbing the pull handle, would give you a barrier-free compliant amount of space. The 157 is a reference to the fact that this is a 90-degree offset pull that is in a 10-inch center-to-center, and that is 1 inch diameter. So 10-inch center-to-center, 1 inch diameter. That's important to know, making the outside of the, or the overall height 11 inch naturally. The projection is 3.5 as a result. The overall width, they don't give. I'm trying to get the camera to focus on that. That's pushing 4 inch. Let's see if I can get a more accurate dimension on my desktop here. Yeah, I'd say it'd be 4 inch from the outside here, all the way to the outside here, 4 inch. Okay. This is a typical Type 1 mount. By Rockwood, that means a typical through bolt that you'll get a couple of 1/4-20 flathead stove bolts or machine screws with a couple of countersunk or finish washers. It'll be set up for an 1 3/4 door. They can handle other door thicknesses. They can certainly also handle other mounting types as well. So if you have need for that, please feel free to reach out to us and we will assist you with different mount types, like a heavier duty version of a through bolt, a decorative style through bolt. Back-to-back models can be done as well on these. 314, that's a reference to the fact that this is a especially dark, extra dark bronze, especially dark. You can't really see any of my desk, but it's not black. Oh, actually, you can see all this. Okay. That's all that shelving is black. And that pull handle, it's not black, but it's as darn close to black as you're going to get, because you've got some aluminum storefronts that they call are dark bronze, but they're awfully dark. They're not called black, but they're as close to that as can be. There is a link below this video to a document called Template, where you can review all of the dimensional properties, the references to the different part numbers as the center-to-center changes. There's also a reference back to the mounting options, which will give you an idea of how those can be configured. We can order those for you. They're done separately because the price does change. These poles are sold as each. If you needed a set of them back-to-back or a pair of poles, you would have to order 2 because you need a pair of poles and then specify the mount type, like Type 5 would be very common for a glass installation, which isn't listed here, but you would be dealing with the Type 18 is what you deal with for a set of these mounted back-to-back. Okay. Then also there is a link to the product brochure that will allow you to review all of the 90-degree offset pulls. It will show you how the part number changes as the center-to-center again changes, also as the diameter changes as well. They make a 3/4 diameter, but the 1 inch is far more common, absolutely far more common, and I would say would be the appropriate size to use, because a smaller bar could be considered by the elderly, and I can tell you from first-hand experience, they consider that a little bit more painful to pull because the surface area is smaller. The same concept, coincidentally or interestingly enough, goes with grab bars. Larger ones are better for that sort of scenario. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood items that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog for their core hardware, which the BF157 would be a part of, but also their RM series, their architectural door pulls. And if you're looking for door pulls, you might want to review that catalog first, because it will give you options. It will give you scores of options that are like this, but are going to be far more elaborate. Let's say architectural base materials. This is made of aluminum, by the way, like bronze, stainless steel, leather wrapped, rubber wrapped, things of that nature. A lot of options to review. If you need one single pull to replace this on the front of the gas station or convenience store, you're done. It's all good. You don't need to review that. But if you're looking for options when it comes to a large or small option application, review that material. I'm partial to Rockwood, and it's because of their exceptional quality in both the customer service department, technical support department, and the fit and finish of the product. I'm always very happy with their material. Any questions on the Rockwood BF157 in a 314 finish or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.